Hello, my name isn't important, but what is you and your precious poop time. It's where many relax, reflect, take time to get away from their family, contemplate, push, laugh, read, cry, sleep, research, and even plan. What if you could plan when you poop, where you poop, so you can perform optimally to kick the day square in the balls with a healthy high yeah. Never get caught with your pants down without a place to take care of your load. Like if you were fishing in the middle of a vast lake, rowing against the current, climbing up a vertical peak on a hot date, and you're starting to get gassy. Don't let things turn sassy by letting one rip will help raise the bar of human existence by helping each and every one of you plan your poop time. Make your number 2 your number 1. The second you finish drinking an 8-ounce cup of elegantly brewed bow tea, you can start the clock. 12 hours from now, you will pop a squat and lift your feet above your knees and let it all out. Now you can plan accordingly. Don't let what happened to Gerald happen to you. So go to starbuckspill.com and order some bow tea now. It's tasty, smells good, and 100% natural. Even vegetarians can benefit from bow tea. Kosher tea! Get 20% off with coupon code GIMME MY 20.